Alright, so hello again. Let's create our own library and then we will publish it to Python package index. So let's open a folder in VS Code and we are simply starting with a calculator.py file and we'll hit enter. So here I will simply paste a kind of a dummy text and I will just save it. This code is very simple. Basically, it takes two numbers a, b as input and then returns the sum. Apart from that, we are going to create another file that is init.py. In that file, we are going to simply paste this code and we are again going to do Ctrl S. Then the test cases are optional, but they are recommended. So we are going to add a simple test for it. This is the text code and I will just simply save it. Then comes the readme.md that is mandatory in order to upload this package to Python package index. Then we'll simply paste some of text here and then we will do Ctrl S. Then we have searched for MIT license text and we will open the first website because we need the text as a mandatory thing to be added with the Python package that we are going to publish. So I basically copy this and after copying that we come back to our VS Code and we make a new file here and we will simply type a license in capital letters and we will hit enter and we simply pasted the text that we copied from the internet and then we simply do Ctrl S. Once we have created the license file, then close it and then we are going to create this file toml. So this basically stores all the configuration for our package. So here we will enter this text and we can safely remove the last one, project URLs. Some of these things are optional. Since we haven't uploaded this very basic project on GitHub, so we can remove that and we do Ctrl S and again close this. And in order to make this thing future proof, we can simply add git ignore if we want to upload this on GitHub. So we will here paste these some of the things that are basically not meant to share with others. Some are cache or temporary data and others are the secure files like .env where all our credentials are stored and we can't save this with everyone. And this is the dist folder where our build will be stored. So let's do a Ctrl S and also close this file. Now since we have all the files here, we will simply create a folder and we will one by one move this into this folder. So I will click yes, move, and same we will do with this calculator.py and we will move this into this folder. Apart from that, we will create another folder that will be tests and we will hit enter and we created a test file here. So I will simply drag and drop this into the test folder and click on move, and I think now we are good to go. Now since we have all our project structure, we will click on close all and we will simply open a terminal here, new terminal, and first we need to install all the build tools that we will require in order to make our package. So we will hit enter. This is pip install build and twine. So it is downloading all the required things. So here I have directly typed pip install, but before that, in order to make sure that there are no conflicts within your package versions, make sure that you create a virtual environment that's venv. So for now, let's continue without that. Now we'll simply run our command to create the build version, and it has started it. You can see it on the screen. So here we can see a success message in green, successfully built. And now if you notice here, we have a dist folder. Let me zoom in. Here you can see we got some files here. These are the two main files that we need to upload to the Python package indexer. So before that, we need to create an account here. So I will go to register and fill in all the required details. So after signing up, it will ask you for two-factor authentications, and you have to save your codes that will be generated and add an authenticator app. Once you set up all that procedure, then it will give you your credentials, and after that you just I am just opening another terminal for the clarity. So here we will paste this command, and before that you just need to generate a token that will be required. So if I open this terminal, it is asking me to enter my API token. So I will go to my account settings, and I will select the scope entire account, and it shows a warning. I don't have a problem with it. I simply will click on create token. So once I run that command, the sample command is mentioned in the description. So you enter your token and you simply hit enter. After that, your project is live. So this is the live URL for my project. Like you have seen this for many other popular packages. So once I have imported it, let's try to use it. So m dot So I'll simply type m.add, and I will pass two numbers, so 1, 2, and I will hit enter. It returns 3. So that was the code that we wrote. So this was a very basic example of how you can upload your own library and make your code available to the whole world. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.